Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check specification on your PC or laptop. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Whether you build a custom Windows computer selecting every component for maximum performance or just bought an off-the-shelf laptop, you may occasionally need to know the specific details about what's under the hood. Windows give you the tools to learn your computer specs, details about your processor, video card, memory, and more. And unfortunately, you don't know how to do it. It's so simple to see your specification on your laptop or PC. You can just click on your settings. You can't find that. You can just easily see your spec by search on your search bar and here in the window. You can enter DX like this. Now you can just press enter and your laptop or computer will be automatically showing the spec of your laptop or PC. Here you can see the current date, the computer name, the operating system, language, the system manufacturer, system model, BIOS, processors, memory, page file, and direct version. You can also see on the display on the system. You can also see on the next page on the display one. You can just, if you want to see another spec, click on display one. Here's the specification, the device and drivers. For the display two, for the device and drivers, you can also check the sound and input. It's a simple, right? So that is how to check your specification on your PC or laptop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!